So I'm up at Kyegu Temple, which is really the spiritual center of Kyegu village and has been truly instrumental in the recovery efforts here after the earthquake. The monks were the first people on the scene to help try to recover any kind of survivors, and ever since they've been profoundly important in dealing with the earthquake and all of the people. They've had all these special ceremonies for the people that died. They took care of the cremation of the bodies. They've just been amazingly, amazingly important. And for this town and for this entire community on the Tibetan Plateau Prefecture, it just has mattered so much that they've had such great support and care with all of the monks. They're very, very spiritual people here. Jadian.